Interested in whether a nutritionally poor diet during pregnancy increased the likelihood of birth defects. Which of the following most accurately explains why a correlation research design is the best option for investigating this equation? The answer is C, because of ethical concerns. Participants could not be randomly assigned to groups. 54. Research design involves two randomly assigned groups of participants. One group receives a one time treatment and the other does not. Later, the two groups are compared to see whether the treatment had an effect. Psychologists call this kind of research an experiment, of course, B, experiment. The most important reason to use operational definition in psychological research is it helps everyone involved with the research understand and collect data in the same manner. Yes, we need to be able to collect data properly and know what's going on. 51. Operational definitions are used for which of the following reasons? They enable researchers to replicate studies by precisely describing the variables and how they are used. Yes, we need to be able to replicate the experiment and get the same results. In a recent report, a developmental psychologist who studies peer pressure in middle school obtained data from a large representative sample of adolescents across the United States. This research most likely involved a survey. Okay, a survey, when we talk about obtaining data from a large representative samples. Okay. Respondents to survey and questionnaires often report that they are healthier, happier, and less prejudiced than would be expected based on the results of other types of research. This finding can best be explained by which of the following? The social desirability bias. People know what's the social desirable, nowadays, and they just go with the flow. 67. Psychologists designed a study to test the effects of cell phones on driving safety. Participants were randomly assigned either to drive an automobile simulator while talking to a friend on a cell phone or to drive a simulator without talking on a phone. Which type of research does the scenario describe? Definitely, it's experimental. We have a control group, an experimental group. 68. Research that focuses on in-depth analysis of an individual exemplifies which of the following methods? Yes, case study. Case study. Synthesia is a phenomenon that has been estimated to occur in only a few people in a million because uh, of its rarity. Researchers are likely to choose which research method to study it. Once again, it's case study. Okay, case study because it's rare, something rare that happens. One in a few millions. We cannot collect enough people to do the test on a control group or experimental group. 56. In which of the following types of research are the same children tested periodically at different points of their development. Yes, this is longitudinal. Longitudinal, we follow the same group for many, many years to come.